Hey guys, so before now I made a video down there or up there about how to recover coins sent to Binance with wrong memo, without memo at all, or with wrong memo. But at the end of the day, why making that video? As at the time that video was made, it was just meant for memo, all right. But right now, what if I tell you that if you send a token that is not listed on Binance to Binance, you could actually recover it back. All right, you could actually recover it back. So Binance have made that provision. All right, before now I made mention of the fact that when you send coin to wrong address on to an exchange, some exchange does not make the provision for one to be able to recover that because they are totally in control, unlike wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet. All right, not Coinbase Exchange, mind you. All right, so exchange like Coinbase, I think they aren't really trying when it comes to recovering people's lost fund. Their support are not really helpful when people run into such troubles. All right, but some exchanges too, like Nuno, uh, Coinbase Exchange itself, and other ones, y'all know a lot of them. They aren't trying. All right, all these exchange are those platform you register onto, and it is totally you register and you have a password and login details, and it's total you don't have recovery phrase to those platforms, and it's totally controlled by the support of that exchange. That is an exchange where if you lost your coin, without the help of the support, you cannot recover that. So, but Binance has taken it upon themselves. It's like they have noticed the problem. They've taken it upon themselves and they are adding more and more updates as regards this recovery option. Now, if you check on your Binance, the same section that I made in that video I sent across to you guys some months ago, all right, let's say a month ago, all right. If you check right now, you see that an update has been incorporated to that platform now. Right now, if you send your coin to a token that is not listed on Binance to Binance address, you could actually recover it back. And then I'm going to show you just where that option is. All right, Binance has made that provision. So with this video now, I oblige or encourage exchanges like exchange platforms like Coinbase Exchange, Nulo Exchange, Switchbox, and so many other ones that y'all know. All right, y'all know a lot. When some of y'all send me, question on Instagram telling me that you lost your coin to some of these exchange, I just wonder where you get to, meet all these exchanges from. All right, I encourage them to try and help their users. When users run into trouble, they are totally helpless, to be honest. Users are totally helpless. I'm sorry, I'm making this video with my hand. It's just a quick video. So when users run into trouble, they are totally helpless. When you send message to support doesn't reply at all, or it takes forever, or they always reply with a bad response, like, "We are sorry, we cannot help you." Of course, if they want to help, they can actually help. All right, because the coin exists on their blockchain. Yeah, that coin, they can't say, okay, your coin is totally lost. There's no how you send a coin to a platform, let's say to your wallet. Let's say you just mix the token. That coin exists on that blockchain. Except they don't want to help you. Let me just say they have a lot of tax. They should employ more person to help in that capacity. So, but one thing you should know, that if you have ever sent your coin to your wallet, to a wallet that has a recovery phrase, and you see that my video I made about coin recovery, I think somewhere here, please use it. You always recover your coin back. If you cannot recover, send me a message on Instagram, send me an email. All the people you see in the comment section, please avoid them. Some of them are bot comments, all those people using bot to comment, so that all those scammers and stuff like that. Send me a message on Instagram or send me an email. I'll be glad to assist. Any moment where it's, because a lot of times a lot of y'all send message and this thing is just so much. Anytime that it's so much, I'll employ somebody that will be in charge of that to assist me, just to assist you guys, because I have lost my coin before. I've lost my coin before. Okay, there's a baby trying to. She's trying to look into this video right here. All right. Okay, it's a cute baby right there. All right. So yeah, I've lost my coin, and I know how painful it can be. I know how it feels. All right. So please, and please, just be careful. Subscribe to this channel so that you learn a lot of these things, so that you don't make such mistakes like this ever again. All right. Like this video. Please like this video. Let's move on. Now this is what you need to do. Go to your Binance account. This is my Binance account, and then click on wallets, and then you click on spot. When you click on spot, you click on, you see that there's a little conspicuous icon right here. All right, click it. Now when you click that, now you will see here there's another conspicuous message right here that says deposit not arrived. It's a question. Check solution here. Click on check solution here. All right, so when you click that, you will see some new options that has been added. Before now it was just forgot or filled in wrong memo /tag, and then but right now you can see deposited an unlisted coin. Another exchange refunded the deposit to Binance. All right, that's when another exchange refund a deposit, like they send a coin from Binance to Nuno and it was refunded. All right, don't know / none of the above. All right, so now this is what we are going for right here. All right, click it and then click submit and appeal. All right, so now let me say here, choose the coin that you sent to this place that is not reflecting. Let me search 𝐶𝐸𝐵𝐻 for instance. All right, all right, so you see I just fixing the coin, but let me say for instance let me type in 𝐶𝐸𝐵𝐻 and click enter. Okay, most time if you can't find corresponding coin, you can just type it here, 𝐶𝐸𝐵𝐻. All right, and enter it, confirm. All right, I already confirmed that. Now deposit network, let's say you choose the network that you deposited on. Let's say let's type in BSC. All right, you can see a number of network right there. Now deposit address, this deposit address is the Binance. Let's say you copy the a Tron address on Binance, or let's say you copy it was an Ethereum address you copied on Binance. So that address that you send the coin to, that's what you're going to paste right here, all right, at this spot here. Then here you choose the amount you send. All right, so if you are choosing the amount here, the amount you're choosing is in the name of the amount of the coin, not in dollar, the amount of the coin that is sent. Then the next thing is the hash ID of the transaction. You copy the hash ID of the transaction and paste it in here, and then you click submit. Now once you click submit, it will take, you will receive a message that will tell you that Binance will work on it. It will take 2 to 3 working days. Within 2 to 3 working days, your funds will be refunded back to the address that it was sent from. All right, so if there was a mistake, be sure that you have access to the address that it was sent from, and be sure that it is your address, because it will be sent back to that address that it was sent from. So hope you love this video, hope you enjoy my content. subscribe to my channel, and if you have this issue, if it was resolved, send me a testimonial, comment in the comment section, or comment on any one of my new videos that okay, I recover my coin, so people will see and then they'll believe that this whole process is working. All right, thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video.